Good morning. Today we are going to revise subject logic and reasoning. First of all, we will learn names of flowers and their question answers. So number one is name a beautiful flower which is white in color, and its answer is daisy. Question number two, name any one flower used for prayers. So the answer is pansy. Number three, name a flower which is pale yellow in color. And the answer is daffodil. Number four, name a flower which we can arrange in a vase. So the answer is dahlia. Now, question number five, name any two occasions on which we can gift flowers. So the answers are birthday and marriage. Question number six, name a flower that is bell-shaped and found in many colors. So the answer is tulip. Number seven, name a flower which faces towards the sun. Answer is sunflower. Question number eight, name a white flower that has a nice fragrance. Answer is jasmine. Name a flower that is rich in sweet scent and varied colors. Answer is rose. Now we will learn parts of a flower. Already we have discussed and we have learned, but today again we are revising. So this is a picture of flower. These are petals. These are seeds. Then we have leaf. Then stem. And last one is roots. So these are parts of a flower. Now we will learn about aquatic, or you can say water animals. Question answers of these animals. Question number one, which is the largest water animal? Answer is whale. Question number two, which animal can stay alive both on land and in water? Answer is crab. Question number three, name a water animal which has a hard shell. Answer is tortoise. Question number four, which water animal is eaten as food? Answer is fish. Question number five, name a water animal that hops on land during the rainy season. So the answer is frog. Question number six, how many arms does an octopus have? Answer is 8. So thank you everyone. Whenever you get time, revise them